Simple present. Affirmative. He writes a book. Negative. He does not write a book. Interrogative. Does he write a book? Present continuous. Affirmative. She is reading a novel. Negative. She is not reading a novel. Interrogative. Is she reading a novel? Present perfect. Affirmative. They have finished their work. Negative. They have not finished their work. Interrogative. Have they finished their work? Present perfect continuous. Affirmative. He has been studying for 2 hours. Negative. He has not been studying for 2 hours. Interrogative. Has he been studying for 2 hours? Past tense. Simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Simple past. Affirmative. She wrote a letter. Negative. She did not write a letter. Interrogative. Did she write a letter? Past continuous. Affirmative. They were watching a movie. Negative. They were not watching a movie. Interrogative. Were they watching a movie? Past perfect. Affirmative. I had completed my work before noon. Negative. I had not completed my work before noon. Interrogative. Had I completed my work before noon? Past perfect continuous. Affirmative. She had been waiting for an hour. Negative. She had not been waiting for an hour. Interrogative. Had she been waiting for an hour? Future tense. Simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Simple future. Affirmative. He will visit his grandparents. Negative. He will not visit his grandparents. Interrogative. Will he visit his grandparents? Future continuous. Affirmative. I will be traveling to New York. Negative. I will not be traveling to New York. Interrogative. Will I be traveling to New York? Future perfect. Affirmative. They will have finished the project. Negative. They will not have finished the project. Interrogative. Will they have finished the project? Future perfect continuous. Affirmative. She will have been studying for 5 hours. Negative. She will not have been studying for 5 hours. Interrogative. Will she have been studying for 5 hours? Subscribe for more videos.